let me do a small thought experiment with you. And ask yourself the following question. So cars worldwide fall into a number of different categories by the type of fuel that they use. Around 4% currently are electric, 16% are hybrid, 65% use gasoline, and 15% use diesel. And now ask yourself, if you have a car, do you know which fuel your car needs? And if you're anything like the typical audience when I ask this question, you're going to know, of course, because otherwise you can't work with your car, you're going to kill it with the wrong fuel. And so you might have an electric car and you know, I need electricity. And this is not going to change for the rest of the car's life. So you know about your car, that's good. So next question. We know from scientific studies that the nutrient coenzyme Q10, very important, your body produces it yourself, can be activated and used by 91% of people due to their genes. And we know from studies that 9% don't have the gene to activate it. And similarly, folic acid is also a very important nutrient. 95% have the genes to use it, to benefit from it, and 5% do not. And now another question for you. Do you know which fuel your body is able to work with? And now let me ask you a different question. Do you know which of these fuel sources your body can use? And if you're anything like my audience, you will now usually not raise your hand. And that's a big aha moment, because people know more about the car that they're going to drive for another 5 years than they know about the body, which, let's face it, they're going to drive for the rest of their lives. And so what I'm trying to achieve with this question is to maybe animate some people to maybe open the instruction manual of their body once and have a look of how to care for their body to make sure that they stay healthy. And what is this instruction manual of your body? It's your genes. That's where the instruction manual, what engines you have, that's where this information is. It's not going to change, just like the car, it's not going to change throughout your life. So it makes sense to find out about it once and then adapt your lifestyle to take your strengths and weaknesses into account to achieve optimal health.